What's going on, y'all? It's your boy NKG, and I'm back this time with an iPhone 11 review video. Look, now I know y'all be like, okay, NKG, you know, it's been like a month and a half since the phone came out. Listen, look, the way my bank account's set up, I had to wait to get 3 paychecks before they allowed me to buy this. You know what I'm saying? That's why on today's video, I only got it in one color. I don't have it in 2, 3 different, like all the other folks out there. I don't have it in the Max version, and I don't have it in just the 11 version. I only got one phone. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead. You know what I'm saying? I worked hard for this. You know what I'm saying? This is my honest money going into. I didn't get nothing for free. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and hit the like button and show me that you appreciate me and my hard work doing this for you. Alright, right now we got the iPhone 11. Today I have it in the midnight green color. Reason why I went with midnight green was usually I stick to the white, you know what I'm saying? Always had a white version of the phone. This time I was like, shoot, should I stick to white? My cousin was like, shout out to Young Keeves. He was like, no, you gotta, midnight green is the new color, and the undercolor look blessed, you know what I'm saying? This is it. So I'm like, all right, bet. Best believe that. I went and I got myself midnight green. So let's go ahead and you know what I'm saying, get with the unboxing. So over here, nice little piece of plastic here sticking out, a little tab. All you gotta do is pull it. Jeez. And it's an easy open, just like that. Easy open. Easy open. Right? So there you have a nice little black box. It says iPhone on the sides. Then you got the little Apple logo on the other sides, on the shorter sides, on the head and toes of the box. And you know what I'm saying, nice little detail. I'll tell you that, look. It's like a little 3D thing going on right here. And I got a little holographic frame around the phone. Looks very nice, very nice. This one right here is the lowest 64 gig, you know, I can't afford it. You know what I'm saying, whatever, 512 or the terabyte, whatever they selling today. But you know what I'm saying, this is what I could afford. So hold on. The box slides out nicely. It's a boom. There you go, that's the phone right there. Put that to the side. Whew. Looking very nice. So right here, there's a little tab at the bottom. Pull the phone out. So let's take that phone out. Look at that. This is beautiful. Jeez. So what you got is that matte coloring at the back. So it's a matte midnight green. Looks very nice. Then you got a little glossy around the lenses of the cameras up top. This one has 3 cameras. This is the 11 Pro. And then around you got metal. Nice shiny metal all around the ends. And then you got a beautiful screen. So let me go ahead and I don't know if I want to take this off. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't even have a case or a screen protector for it yet. Shoot. Bet. I'm gonna just go ahead and take it off. Woo. There you go. Beautiful. 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 Alright. Only has the lightning charger plug at the bottom. So again, either you use the lightning charger, the lightning plug with the headphones, or you gotta use the, you know what I'm saying, the AirPods, which I have on, you know what I'm saying, right now. Let's look at what comes inside the box. So inside the box, you got instructions on how to use it. You got 2 little Apple stickers, you know what I'm saying? Definitely not gonna use those. Some people like to put on their MacBooks. And then, you know what I'm saying, you also got warranties and stuff that, you know what I'm saying, is good to read. but we don't read anyways, right? So inside the box, you got the level. You got the headphones that come inside of it, with it. You know what I'm saying? They got it sitting there looking like it's actual AirPods, but it's not. So yeah, you got the headphones. I got my AirPods, so I won't be using these. And then you got the high-speed charger plug. By the way, this only comes with the Pro versions, the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. If you just get the 11, you're not gonna get this high-speed charging plug and cable. So this, like, you get a good charge in like 15 minutes. So you in a rush, your girl outside, she calling you, she like, look, we gotta go on this date. You know what I'm saying? Give me 15 minutes, girl. Plug it in, and you got a good, you know what I'm saying, 70%. You could go. You know what I'm saying? No worries. So that's why I find myself in that situation a lot. That's why I bought myself this version. Alright, so there you have it, y'all. So thanks for tuning in. This is the iPhone 11 Pro. Check it out. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you know, did you want me to turn it on for you? I didn't even, you know what I'm saying, I gotta set it up, whatever, so I can't really just turn it on and show you what. Let me just show you what it says when it turns on. Let me show you. What does it say? Maybe you can turn it on. Maybe the battery dead, maybe I can charge it. Oh, you know what I'm saying? It's turning on now. I don't know how long it's gonna take. It might take a while, so I don't want to sit here and let you guys look at it turn on. But you know what I'm saying? Thank you for tuning into this video. Hit the like button right now, and you know what I'm saying, hello, you know what I'm saying, what's up, and hola, hit the subscribe button as well, you know what I'm saying, subscribe to my channel. This channel, you know what I'm saying, it's not only about iPhones, it's not only about food, it's also about traveling, and it's also about, you know what I'm saying, kicking and having fun with it. You know what I'm saying, with the whole little vlog channel, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to see all of that, you know what I'm saying, better hit the subscribe button now, or it's too late. Alright, so I'll see you on the next episode, man, my next video. Come check it out for sure. It's your boy, NKG. Peace.